Guys, hi, I'm Jeremy. We are over here at Dark Knight Specialties. We are going to show you the installation process of a Cold Fusion Nitrous kit. All right, so we are going to be working on this. We're going to be taking off these covers here, pulling off your factory air box, and we are going to install a Cold Fusion Nitrous plate. We have a 2020 Ford Mustang GT California edition. We're going to be removing the covers. We're going to be installing this nitrous plate. Nitrous plates in particular, they make the nitrous kit hit a whole lot harder. So that's why we're installing it. You got your nozzle setups, but in particular, we like these. We want him to feel the power. All right, so we're going to start by taking off the factory air box and giving ourselves some room so we can start this installation process. Alright guys, so now we're going to take off the throttle body, disconnect the throttle body harness, loosen up the throttle body bolts, each one, and they come out relatively easily. These are M6 bolts, about 50 millimeters long. I like to do a lot of stuff by hand. A lot of your smaller bolts like to break when you mess with them with a ratchet wrench. And that's it. We'll get this nitrous plate, get a gasket here. So we had to go down to your local hardware store and get some longer bolts. When you add the plate, your bolt length is definitely going to change. I'll set that up right fast and we're going to begin the install of the nitrous plate. Alright guys, you can see right here, this is where you have your nitrous and your fuel spraying at the same time, right into your intake. Make sure I got my links correct. We don't want to have to run a lock washer on these. Loctite's always good, but if you torque it to spec, you should be okay. Just like that, our bolts are sticking out appropriately. Pretty tight squeeze, but we'll get it in there. Proper fitment is one of the biggest issues with nitrous. We want to make sure everything fits, so before we Loctite anything and have to disassemble anything, we want to make sure everything fits correctly. So we went ahead and just kind of pre-mounted it all. Got your purge on it, got the fuel solenoid, got everything in line to where we can mount this. We want to make sure she fits properly before we mount it. Looks like we got a good fitment here, guys. Like it belongs there.